Let's see how to attach or detach files with main file. To attach a file with another file, first open a file in which other files are required to be attached. Then click on Attach File action, available in menu bar to open Attached File page. This page displays already attached files if any, and option to attach other files as well. Now click on Attach File button. This will open Attach File pop-up window, displaying all the files that are present in inbox and created list of the user's account. Utilize the search feature to find files based on their computer number, file number, or subject. This helps in filtering specific files efficiently. Also, they can be filtered based on the year of creation, as by default the files of the current year are listed. Choose the file required to be attached. Users may select multiple files if required. Enter the mandatory relevant remarks. If multiple files are selected, then the same remarks is applicable to all the files. Then click on Attach button. This will attach all the selected files in the already opened file. Further, a few more points to be noted with respect to attached files are: 1. If a file has green note under preparation, then it cannot be attached with any other file. 2. User cannot attach a file that already has file or receipt attached within it. 3. User cannot attach one file with multiple files at a time. Now let's see how to detach already attached files from main file. Navigate to Attached File page by clicking on Attach Files action in File Inner page. Click on the Detach icon in Action column against the file to be detached, or select single or multiple files using checkbox and click on Detach drop-down action. Enter the mandatory relevant remarks. Click on OK to detach the file. Further, if user has mistakenly attached a file, then the user can either detach it before making the movement, and file will move to its previous location, that is, created or inbox, or can directly attach it with another file if required so, by using Attach with Another option. For this, click on Attach with Another icon in Action column against the file to be attached with other file. Then select the relevant file from the listing. Enter the mandatory remarks. Then click on Attach button. Now, the file is detached from present main file and attached with the selected new.